Okay guys, today we're just going to go over a quick overview of the TURFCO wide spin 1530 machine, just the basic operations and where some of the things are. This is the machine right here. Now I came out here just to look it over, try to get it started, and I figured I'd do a quick tutorial in case somebody's picking one of these up and they just want to see the basic operations. So obviously over here, this is your motor. Alright, you have the pull start option and the electric start option. This is your throttle here and your choke. Alright, we'll come around here. Over here will be your battery, located under this guy right here. Looks like it has seen better days. We're going to leave that off in case we got to jump start this. Next to the battery is going to be your hydraulic fluid. Check that. Just unscrew the cap. Pull that out. Seems to be alright. And we come around the back here. You have your spreaders there. Alright. Now, if you want to adjust your spread here, you got a handle on the back. And you can see there's a little chart. So as I push up on this, you will see that move, and what you want to do basically is line up your edge here with one of these lines to the set that you want. Alright, real simple. Alright, and we come around here, and this here controls your belt up here. This will control the speed of it. So obviously you want to turn to turtle if you want to slow your belt down, and turn to rabbit if you want to speed it back up. Alright, and your control is going to look somewhat up here like this. Okay, so you have three settings here. This first one is if this is pushed all the way down, shuts everything off. Now if you click this to the middle, just one click there to the middle, this will turn on just your back spreaders. Now the third setting here, click it again all the way down, that will turn on your spreaders and your belt. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and try to fire this thing up. There we go. Back to the controls here. I can show you what I was talking about. Let's come around to the back. Alright, so if I were to click this one time, it should turn these on. And you don't really want to stand in front of it. You'll get a bunch of sand in the face. So we will click it one time. And there we go. Alright, now this shouldn't be spinning up here, so what we want to do is click this our third time, click it down, activate our belt, and it's moving really slow, so we're going to adjust this. There we go. Turn this a little bit faster. It's moving really fast. Alright. And to shut them both off, just click it all the way down. And that shuts them both off. Over here. Now, maintenance wise, pretty simple. Got a couple bolts on the bottom here on each side. You can remove this shroud, your voltage regulator right here, right behind that will be your starter. If you want to change the oil on it, come right down underneath, and there's the hole right there with the oil pan bolt. You can get to that. Air filters right here. So pretty easy machine. And to get to your oil, you got these straps over here. I already had them undone. you're gonna undo that strap. You got another strap over here, undo that. Lift up on this, and your oil is right back here. You can see that. Now, one thing about this spot, if you get a lot of dirt and stuff up here, when you're turning this, you're hitting dirt and stuff, and as you can see, this is actually lower than here where it goes in. So all of this dirt is gonna fall into there, so make sure, if you're gonna check your oil, clean off all the debris off of here first, because you get a stone or something to fall down in there, and you're gonna have all kinds of problems. I really don't like where they have that oil there, but that's where you would check the oil. And that's it. Real simple machine to operate. Pretty self-explanatory, as long as all of your labels are on there. Our stickers are still on there. Sometimes over, the course of the years, they tend to fall off. But if your stickers are missing, that's what those adjustments do. And don't forget, guys, please hit the subscribe button below and give me a like. Trying to get my subscribers up. I do a couple videos daily, and I will see you next time.